Hello, my name is Cristian Licon, and I'm going to be talking about the dark web connections with terrorism. An introduction to the essay is basically what the dark web is and how terrorism is connected to it. The dark web is hidden beneath the World Wide Web and has become a home for terrorist groups. The reason for this is because they can use the dark web as a place where they can plan out attacks, recruit, and buy weapons. Everything is anonymous there and they can't be tracked. It's easy to access, but it requires different browsers in order to access it. Browsers such as Tor helps with the anonymity of using it. Also, a VPN helps them secure themselves while using Tor. It's better security for them. Things to find on the dark web are red rooms, weapons, human trafficking, hitmen, and terrorist groups. Terrorist groups have been becoming bigger and bigger on the dark web due to the anonymous usage and basically what they do, and they have a lot of power over the government because they are unable to be tracked. This picture has a good representation of what the dark web really is. On the top, you have the surface web, which everybody is aware of the surface web, and it is used by millions and millions and basically everyone. The deep web is something that gets more deeper into the surface web, and it has no illegal actions. But when you get into the dark web, that's where the more illegal actions begin. Research questions. Why has terrorism moved to the dark web? Again, they have moved to the dark web because of the anonymous usage and the ability to do so much without being tracked, and the amount to do everything they have and the power that they have over the government. What do? They do recruitment, they do fundraising as well, which helps them plan out attacks and get money in order to buy things. Can terrorism be stopped? That has still not been proven a yes or no question, a yes or no answer, sorry, but they are working on it, such as right point and spider webs are examples of what they are working on in order to track them down. How do they buy things? They buy things using cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is basically like money, but something that cannot be tracked. They use Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a popular cryptocurrency that they use, and it's money, but it can't be tracked. Methods. The way the information will be gathered is through a survey that will ask simple questions. The simple questions are basically questions that anybody can answer even without the knowledge of the dark web or what goes on the dark web. And there will be about 2 to 3 open-ended questions asking their opinion on what they think of what happens on the dark web. The information is important because of the fact that a lot goes under the World Wide Web and not a lot of people are aware of what really goes on. And with the knowledge that they gain from what goes on, it can help them be more precautious into like stumbling upon something that may take them to the dark web and may get their computer to malfunction or get their information hacked and taken away from them and be used to do illegal things. These are my photo references, my photo references as well. And then my acknowledgements. Thank you, Mr. Moore, the Computer Technology Department of Laredo College, Melissa Villarreal, my research student mentor, Dr. Nora Garza, VP for Resource Development and Title V Project Director, Ms. Agüero Riojas, LEAPS Project Director, Ms. Gabriela Solis Cavazos, the Undergraduate Research Coordinator, funded by Hispanic Serving Institute. Thank you for listening to my presentation.